to use this opportunity to talk about everything I've done in week 5 of Let's Practice At School. For my formal learning strategy class, we had to do a reflection pose, and that reflection we had to read an article on sustaining planetary health through systems thinking. We also had to incorporate public health sensibilities into our clinical practice, and we had to read about salutogenic. I've never heard about it. It's pretty interesting. It seems political and about laws and stuff, but again, it's climate change and how that affect our practice and how we can either influence it or make it for the better. But it's climate change and healthcare. For our leadership under that class, we had to talk about our book, and I started my podcast. So I finished the Art of War and started a podcast that I will be listening to for this semester. And we also had to listen to a planetary health podcast. So overall for that class, I have a 92.7%. For my evidence-informed practice and scholarship class, that week was pretty interesting. We started our DMP project topic identification. I thought it was going to be like my DMP idea, but we are in a group of 3 people, and the 3 of us have to work on a collaborative plan and focus on a DMP project. So right now in my group, there's a nurse midwifery student, so she is leading this, and then my DMP project is on health literacy. So right now our focus is on maternity. The problem we're looking at is menses, and we're gonna use my side of the DMP project, which is health literacy, to help like educate about menses, pamphlet flyers. If they're like actual hard objective stuff, do they actually use the tampons? What type of tampons? Stuff like that. So we met 3 or 4 times. We finally finished our paper last night and submitted it. So, and we did meet with faculty, and faculty gave some guidance and said we're pretty much in the clear and we're good. So that's it for that class. And for pharmacology, we are now on women and men's health. We're studying anti-inflammatory, anti-allergenic, and immunologic drugs. I also had a quiz that I didn't do yet, and we had another prescription writing exercise. All these are hypothetical scenarios, so our professors make these scenarios up. So last week, we had to write a prescription for Pixaban. This week, I had to call it in because the made-up patient might took the last dose. They can't wait until Monday to get a dose, so I had to watch a video and really learn what it's like calling in a prescription. So overall, that is pretty much everything I've done in week 5 of Let's Practice At School.